So now let us try to integrate 3 sin x plus 4 cosecant x whole square. So that is equal to integration of, so let us expand this bracket. So a plus b whole square. So the expansion is 9 sin square x a square plus 16 cosecant square x plus 2ab term is 12 into 2 is 24 sin x into cosecant x gets cancelled and dx. So that is equal to 9 times integration of sin square x dx plus 16 times integration of cosecant square x dx plus 24 times integration of dx. So I have separated the 3 integrals. So this integral is very straightforward, minus 16 cot x, and this integration is also very straightforward, 24x. So here you need to think about the integration of sin square x. So how do you integrate sin square x? So what I'll do is, let us write it as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That is equal to 9 by 2 times. So if you think about 1, the integration is x minus. So what is the integration of cos 2x? So you have to think about what is a function whose differentiation becomes cos 2x. So as you can see, the differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. So what is the differentiation of sin 2x by 2? So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you get cos 2x as the differentiation. So integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So minus 16 cot x plus 24x plus a final integration constant is the answer. So the final answer is very clear. So minus 9 by 2 sin 2x minus 16 cot x plus 9x by 2 plus 24x. So effectively you get 48 plus 9, 57x by 2 plus c is the answer.